Now that we know how to access the mathlearningcenter.org number frames, I showed you that video earlier. Now what we're going to do is see how you can use these tools at home. The first thing you're going to do is click over on your left. You're going to click on the numbers frame. We're using the tens frame. You're going to click over and move that into place. And then I want you to familiarize yourself. There are different tools down at the bottom of the screen. You can change them. Again, you can use whichever items you want to use. If you want to use circles and squares, if you want to use the butterflies and the frogs, it doesn't matter. You're a student, boys and girls, moms and dads, you can change the colors how you would like. I recommend using two colors though, so when you're adding more or taking some away, you'll be able to tell the difference of what needs to leave, okay? So I'm going to start with frogs, and I'm going to do frogs and ladybugs. So I want to create a story problem for you, and that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to add the text. So if I ask you, boys and girls, to send me a story problem of your own, this is the tool that I want you to use, and you can record it and send it on to me. So let's start. Mrs. Bryant saw 5 frogs on I can type a log. Then Samuel saw 4 frogs on a log. How many frogs did they see? All right, now you noticed as I was typing, I made some mistakes. I didn't stop. I didn't say, oh man, this isn't going to work. All I did was just keep going. I made a mistake. It's okay. So, Miss Bryant saw 5 frogs on a log. Then Samuel saw 4 frogs on a log. How many frogs did they see? I'm done. And I like the color, but I'm going to change it to green because we're talking about frogs, and I think it should be a different color. So now I want to solve this problem. I want to, first of all, I have to determine what are my steps in solving the problem. Steps for problem solving. 1, read the question. We did that. 2, is this a sum more, or some went away? Answer that question. 3, will you need to add or subtract? I'm going to move, not that one, I'm going to move this one. All right. There we go. So now I know I have 5 and 4, and I want to use those number words that we've learned. So we'll go back and fix that. And now I want to come over and add my frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I want to add my bugs. 1, oh no, because he saw frogs too. So I'm going to put this at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's how many Samuel saw. So now I want to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. And so now I'm done. My answer is 9. And so I can either type that answer and click done and put it right there, or I can write that answer and come over and write, not with that, this tool, and write 9. All right, so this is my tutorial on how to use the app mathlearningcenter.org number frames. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to sharing some more with you guys soon and seeing your great work soon. All right,